In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, many of the people are found saying that my relationship has become very limited one. I'm not interacting with many of the people. I am meeting only fewer people, and that my relationship is not so good. The bad relationship, even with the people who are of the same social status, even they people too are actually not having a kind of good relationship with us. There are very few contacts with whom I am interacting, with whom I am speaking, and with whom I am doing certain other things. So I think so. It is the necessity of each one of us. It is the necessity of each one of us to establish the relationship, to open the channel of relationship with many of the people, and especially the positive people, the constructive people. And now, despite now, unfortunately, most of the people, I am saying most of the people, they are not having good relationship with the people. They are not enjoying good relationship with the people, and rather their communication with each other has ended. They are not communicating with each other, and this lack of communication is actually costing them very dearly. There shouldn't be a lack of communication at all. This lack of communication is deadly. Believe me or not, it has made the people feel lonely. Today, loneliness is very common. Today, many of the people are feeling loneliness. They are not enjoying the good relationship with the people. They will be found saying that since I am not a wealthy person, since I am not an influential person, and this is the reason that the people don't get attracted toward me, while this might be a reason, but even the people of the same social status, these people too will not be found interacting with this man, with this woman. Why? Because not because this person is not wealthy, not because this person is not lacking is not because this person is lacking the money, not because this person is lacking the influence. The real reason is some other one. And today we are going to talk about how to start communicating with the more number of people, how to somehow establish a kind of relationship with quite a lot of people, and then seek advantages, get the benefits of this kind of relationship with a very good number of people. Today we are going to talk about it. I am of the view that first of all we become negative enough, and this negativity of ours is actually isolating us, and this isolation is costing us very dearly upon our health, upon our financial resources, upon so many of the other things. I think so. We need to think positive, and we need to take the people in a positive manner. It is a far better habit if at all we are found exploring and trying to know the merits of the people, the good qualities of the people. I think so. We should be searching the good qualities of the people instead of doing the fault finding. Most of the people are remain on the mission of the fault finding in the personalities, in the people, in the other people. I think so. This is the kind of enmity with those people, and they do take it as an enmity as well. And this is the reason, this is as a result of it, they don't get closer to us. What we need to do is that we need to find the qualities, the good qualities about which they know, and even the good qualities we need to find, even the good qualities amongst the people who is which is not known to them. And this is what we need to do. We need to talk about their good qualities in their presence as well as in their absence, and we should never ever become negative. This negativity of ours is isolating us, and it is spoiling our relationship with the people. We need to become positive. And how to become positive? We should stop fault finding in the people, but whatever fault appears to us, I think so, then we should overlook it. We need to become cautious, we need to become careful. Being careful and cautious is okay, it is not bad, but I think so we shouldn't be spreading the bad habits, the bad qualities and the demerits and the faults of the people. Instead, we need to find the good qualities of the people on the one hand, and we need to spread it, we need to talk it amongst the other people. Then the people too will come to know that this person is very sincere to us, he is our well wisher, and she is actually desirous of seeing me as a strong person, as a capable person, as a popular person. And this is what we need to do. We should never ever stop communicating with the other people. I think so. It is a big disadvantage if at all we have stopped communicating with some of the people. I think so that we have created a kind of big demerit. We have created a kind of bad habit. I think so. If at all we need to talk about the people in a positive manner, whether they people are present there, whether they people are not present there. And then it is good to present them, to suggest them with certain good ideas about those people. Maybe these good ideas actually will bring us closer to those people, keeping in view the kind of advantages they are having, the kind of resources they are having. I think so. I think so that this is something which is needed, which should be taken care of. If at all we want a good relationship with the people, we should never ever stop communicating, and we should keep communicating with those people on the one hand. And also we need to look upon the merits of those people. We need to talk about their merit in their presence as well as in their absence. And there are certain other things, whatever you do have in your mind. But even if at all we don't do anything further than this one, this thing alone will make us a kind of popular person, and we will be having a kind of good relationship with so many of the people, even if they are the ordinary people. But a relationship is always beneficial, a relationship is always having many of the utilities. Thank you.